Hey, amazing teachers! Let's talk about an engaging way to assess listening skills using real-world materials. All you need is a short audio clip or a scene from a movie in the target language. Play a 30-second conversation about a relatable topic, like ordering food at a restaurant or making weekend plans. Then ask your students to write a brief summary or share orally what they understood. For example, if the clip involves a character saying, "Quiero una pizza con mucho queso y una ensalada," a beginner might write, "pizza and salad," while a more advanced student might explain, "The person ordered pizza with extra cheese and a salad." This approach encourages students to focus on meaning, not perfection. Here's a strategy to make this even more effective. Before playing the clip, give students a purpose for listening by asking a guiding question like, "What's the main idea of the conversation?" or "What specific items are being mentioned?" Afterward, you can scaffold responses by asking follow-up questions like, "How did the speaker feel about their choice?" or "What words helped you figure out what was happening?" This keeps students actively engaged and improves comprehension without overwhelming them. Ready to transform your assessments with real communication? Join the Assessment Academy at mm.us/academy. It's packed with strategies to create meaningful, proficiency-focused assessments for listening, speaking, and more. Get tools to simplify grading while helping your students achieve real growth. Try this quick listening strategy today and watch your students shine.